हाँ अभिषेक, मैंने लाइव कर दिया, मैं आपको बना रहा हूँ वापस।
ठीक है भाई, ठीक है। ठीक है, थैंक यू। Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining in. Just wait for a couple of more minutes to let everyone else join, and we will start the session soon.
Hello everyone, very good evening. How are you all? I know you all are expecting Mr. Aditya, but due to some other emergency issues, he's not available for today. So I'll be conducting your today's session. So kindly bear with me just for a single session. Mr. Aditya will continue with this. Okay? Good evening, very good evening, everyone. Okay, Mr. Rajay said okay, so you're really going to tolerate me? Is it like that? Okay.
Hello, Sabha. Sorry to
Yes, sir.
interrupt. When the strength becomes a little more, one announcement, I request you to make is remind everyone that they use same email IDs to sign up on Future Skills Prime and on Trailhead.
Yeah, sure. Thank you for the
Yeah.
uh,
Thank you.
thing. Let me reminder. Okay. One really important announcement for you all, which we have learned from cohort 1. The thing is that there are participants, those who they have registered themselves for the cohort. Let's suppose the email address A. But on the trial head, you may be continuing your old email address. We are okay with that. That is email B. So make sure you have registered yourself with B only. Whatever you're using on the trial head, the email address, the account should be same on your Future Skills Prime. Then only we can track your progress, get to know how much you have completion. We get to know, right? And accordingly, we can proceed ahead with the vouchers and the pricing and all the things, right? So to keep a track of your performance, what we have to do, you have to simply make sure your Future Skills account email ID should be same as your trial head. But as you all have already registered yourself now, what you can do, if anybody is facing this thing like on the Future Skills Prime, you have different email address, and on the trial head Salesforce, you have another different address. What you can do, just simply go to the NASCOM portal. Don't register for Cohort, but you can register for Salesforce Developer Catalyst program. So make sure you're registering yourself for the Salesforce Developer Catalyst program with the same email address which you're using for your trial head. It's really crucial for us to keep the track of your activity, not your all the activity, just to keep the track of your progress, how much completion you have done by the end of the cohort or the dedicated time, whatever is allotted for you. Yes, Miss Fatima, you don't have to be worried about this. While joining the meeting, okay, while joining this Zoom meeting, you can join with your any account, okay? Attendance would be counted for day 1 also, day 2 also. I hope so you all are changing your name, right? So no need to worry about that, Miss Fatima. The only thing is that your trial head link email address should be same as your registered email address. If it is not, then register again. You cannot lose your trial head progress for sure, but you can register yourself again on the Future Skills Prime NASCOM platform. Clear? Thumbs up, everyone. Okay, lovely. Okay, fine. I hope so you all are active on the Telegram channel as well. We are posting some trivias and the MCQs. Kindly respond to them. Okay? We are here to assist you. We really want you to get in touch with the thing, like with the course and the content. Even though you're not doing just, you can give 5 or 10 minutes to answer the things, right? So okay, let's go ahead. um I haven't joined Telegram channel. I don't use Telegram, uh, but that's the only portal where you can put your queries apart from the session, and the Telegram channel will be there forever. These sessions are meant for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, whatever the duration is there, right? But for the further assistance and updates and all, to stay in touch with us, the Telegram would be the best option, I'll say. Today's session agenda is formulas and validation, along with the Lightning App Builder quick startup with the Lightning App Builder. Let's begin with the session then. Let me share my screen quickly so that we can start. What's the strength right now? Okay, it's 70 participants as of now in the meeting. Fine. Decent number. Any questions, any doubt from the previous sessions? I can answer your queries, or else we can continue with the session. Anyone? Any questions? Any doubt? Okay, continue. Okay, fine. Sure. Okay, wonderful. Nice. You all can go to simply the trial head. Kindly ignore these black color bars. It is from the Zoom itself. So the trial head which we are following, it is nothing but Salesforce Developer Catalyst version 3.0 by Ms. Tripti Jha. Okay. You all have must completed all this thing: data modeling, pick list administration, duplicate management. So today our task is to work around formulas and validation. That is for around 1500 points. Okay. Along with that, we'll be exploring the next topic is Lightning App Builder. So quick start Lightning App Builder. It's a project with 300 points. So these are the two modules we are going to cover in today's session. Yes, the duplicate management. Okay, let me tell you. From the last class, you must have got some assignment. And in your assignment, duplicate management is there. Data modeling and pick list administration you must have done in the last class. So, yeah, duplicate management is a part of your assignment here, which you'll have to do the self-study. And if you face any question, if you're stuck anywhere, you can ask a question in your trainer lead activity. Okay. Customize. Okay. Actually, I really don't have idea about the assignment, whatever was there from the previous class to all of you. So I'll just take the today's session content, whatever is assigned for me. Okay. And Mr. Aditya in the next class will let you know, like when you have to do the duplicate management or something. I can help you out with today's assignment. Okay. Okay. Not an issue, Miss Jyotsana. You can go to the YouTube and find out the recording. Yes. That's what I'm about to say. Yes. Miss Marmika, you have to consider the duplicate management as the assignment to black boxes. Miss Fatima, I won't be able to remove it. This is Zoom pop-ups only, Zoom controls, and lately the Zoom is behaving very strange that it's not considering its own controls as a part of the screen. So I don't have anything to do with that. Sorry. Yep. Formulas and validation. Let's start with it. This is one of the really interesting module. Use formula field is the first one which we are going to do. Can I get a quick thumbs up if you all are on the same page? You all are able to come till here. Oh, sorry, Mr. Marmik. Sorry. Okay. You have one good news here also. You can just read it. And if you're interested, you can apply for the same. Okay. Formula field is something where we try to use formulas to do our task rather than manually entering your data into the object. Let's suppose I have one table over here where every day, look, here is a beautiful example for the same. What it is showing here, let's suppose here in the table, in your object, you have the close date given that this opportunity will get closed. Beta burger, this opportunity should get closed by this. Now, I want to keep a track how many days are remaining to close this opportunity with respect to today's date. I cannot keep a dedicated person assigned over here who will keep on updating the data here on the daily basis. Like today, 7 days are left. Tomorrow, 6 days are left. 5, 4, 3, 0. time up, something like that. It would be a tedious task. That's not humanly even possible, and we don't want it to do. Here, we can use this field as a formula field, FF, where it will automatically take the today's day with the help of today function, and you can take a close date, CD. Can anybody tell me what should be the formula to find out the difference in a days with respect to close date and today's date? Come on, what should be the formula we'll apply here? No. Mr. Nagarjun, it's not required. Fortunately, today, whatever we are going to do, all the modules are independent. So you can do it. Mention date minus current date, like today date. Perfect. Mr. Sanchit, you're absolutely correct. Mr. Marmik, you're also correct. So let's try it. Like if it is a math question, we would have done very easily. But now it's in the Salesforce. We have to do it. We have to follow the syntax and everything, right? So let's see how we can do the same thing. I'll explain you this interface while working around the formula editor. Okay, all this thing. Yes. We have one small tiny example given over here, which we can do it easily. So this example says, first create a contact if you never created a contact before from the app launcher and all. Enter the value for the last name. For account name, enter the existing account name such as United Oil or Gas Crop. Save it. We create a formula to display the account number on the contact page. So what the scenario here, we have two different tables here, two objects. The first object is account. The second object is contact. Okay. Now, while adding a record in the contact, that means a row in the contact in the table, you can assume it. While adding a record over here, what I want to show, I will add only the last name of the person and I will add the account name. That, let's suppose Jerry. Jerry is associated with which account? I can see into the account table. That means they are in the relationship. Then only they are sharing the data in between them. And this kind of relationship is known as lookup relationship. You can stay in the contact and look into the account. Fine. So I just added the last name. I added the account name. I'm adding a name. But I want to add a dedicated field over here, which should check if you entered any account name. It should automatically update the account number. So this is the formula field which should get updated automatically without the human intervention. So the formula is pretty much simple. You can see object name will come followed by your field name. So I said from the account object, refer to the account number field. Okay. Okay, let's give a try to do this thingy. Launch your, I'll just retake the challenge. Launch the playground. Launch. I have to It's same as JS. You can say, Mr. Mamrik. Okay. I have to go to the setup. Where should I go? Come on, navigate me. How I'll access the setup from here, from my dashboard? Minimize the box. Okay, fine. I'll just minimize it. I can't even read the chat now. Where should I go? The gear icon, setup, right? Okay. Object manager, because I want to add a field to the contact. So object manager, quick find for contact. Quick find will help you to find your objects easily. I'll go inside the contact, field and relationship. Let's see, we have account name already here. You can see account name, but we want account number. Fine. Are we all on the same page? Thumbs up. Should I go ahead? Uh-huh. Okay, what I did, I click on the setup for current app. Then click on object manager is the first step here. Search for contact there. Second step, click on field and relationship. Third step. Okay. Okay. I want to make a new field here. We have a new button here that will help us to make a new field. I'll just say new here. Okay. New. Which kind of field? Data type is formula. Press the next button. Show me a thumbs up once you're done till here. Field and relationship. Click on the new button here. Select the formula field. Press the next button. Are we all done? Yes? Okay. Here you'll have to enter the field label, what you want to name it. Let's just copy it from here. In the challenge, they are asking us to name it as account number. So field name is account number. If you enter the correct label, the name will populate automatically. This works as an API. Okay. Now, account number, what kind of data it would be after applying the formula? Account number can be which kind of? It can be checkbox, currency, date, number, percentage, text, or type. What do you think so? What would be the data type for the return formula? Number, account number, but they are asking us text. That means it is alphanumeric. It's number plus text. like AC0001, AC0002, like that. Okay. Are we all done till here? Next. Now this is the important page. Here you'll be entering your formula. You have two options, the simple formula and the advanced formula. We work on advanced formula because you get the ready functions over there. You just need to click and select. The simple formula will not give you the function option. You have to add it manually. Okay. So I'm selecting here advanced formula. Here you can see the different parts of it. The first is insert field. This will allow you to select the field from your object. Like suppose I want to take a field account number. So I will select it from here. Now, sometimes we want to do some operations such as arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, division and all. For that, you can click on insert operation and choose your operator here. Sometimes we need to use some formula or functions. So all the functions are given over here, arranged alphabetically in order. Along with that, you have the categories to select it. You have advanced function, text function, math function, logical function, date and time function. So to find out the close date or today's date, we can take the date and time function. Okay. Here is your editor. As soon as you would be doing the selection, the things will get populated here. The check syntax button will allow you to check the syntax of your entered formula, whether you're doing it correct or not. So let's go to insert field. From, look, contact is in the relationship with the account. That's why I'm getting account over here. And I'm getting an arrow that's representing it's an object name. Okay. So I want to take account. From the account, I want to show account ID. So it is showing its API name. I'll say insert. So it came on the screen. Okay. Yes, account number they want. Sorry. Insert field, account number they want. Insert, I got it here. Account number, check for syntax. You will get no syntax error. You just selected the simple. Okay. Once you're done, you can add a description or help text also. So next to the field, like the way, next to this field, how this hover is coming, like that only, next to your field also the hover will come. Help text, it will fetch the account number from account object. Fine. Now, if the formula reference any number, currency or something, so the blank should be treated at what? As zeros or blanks. You can keep it blanks only. Yeah. We do have the option to hide. Yeah, okay, it's better now. But I can't see the messages in that case. Okay, next, you can decide it would be visible for whom. What are the different people can see it. Okay. I'll make it what they're asking. Check syntax. Next, save. They have not asked to make it visible for everyone. So it would be visible for the limited profile only. We are okay with it. Next, it will come on all this layout. You can visit to any of the page and check out save. So we have successfully created one field that will help you to get the account number. You can see the field names coming here, account number. You made it. That's why the API says _C. Customize field. It's a formula type and the return is text. Can you all show me a quick thumbs up if you all are able to get this? Same page? I can't see that. Control Shift H. Okay, fine. Alt H. Still not showing account number. Okay, are you sure you saved it? Just do in the quick find if you have done it, all the things correct. It should come here in the quick find. You can type here and search it. Account number. It will come. Where I can see the changes. I have made one field. Now I'm curious how will it appear on the front end, how the user can experience this thing. Where I can get this information? Can anybody tell me where should I go to check the changes? Where I can see the field. I added one field into my object. Now I want to see how it is working. The front end. Any idea? No. Object manager, it is to work on the back end. By the time you are in the setup, that means you're doing the backend changes. But whenever a developer or somebody do the backend changes, the same thing appear on the front end also. Main playground, correct. It's the easiest way, check your object name. I worked on contact. Go to the app launcher. Okay, 9 dots. Search for the same object. I search for contact. Plural will come always, contacts. I'm on the contacts now. It is showing me I have 5 total contacts. You might be having more. No need to worry, or less. Let's suppose I'll go inside. Okay, let's make a new one. On the right top, you have new. I'm creating the 5th contact in my playground. New. Answer the required questions only, such as salutation, Mr. John Smith, and account name. If account name is there, then only account number will come. So don't miss on account name. I know there is some account called GenPoint. Yeah. So GenPoint. It's already existing. It's a lookup here. You can stay in the contact, look into the account. Okay. Done till here, everyone? Save. Are we all in? Anyone? John or John? Usually I use Tom and Jerry. Nobita, Bob, and all. I'll go to details. Let's see, scroll it down. Look, it's coming with the help text now. Fetch the account number from the account object. This is my account number. Are we all able to see the changes on your front? Lightning experience page. This is how it will appear for the user, whoever will try to enter the details. Thumbs up, everyone. Yes, no. Able to get it. Very good evening, Mr. Komal. Sorry, Miss Komal. Okay, Abhishek. Okay, okay. Fine. Now, I will suggest you don't do the other activities in your same playground as you're doing right now. Otherwise, you will encounter the error where you when you will do the next module. Okay? So don't do this one or other activities. Just make one rule. Whatever the practice you're doing, all this thing, do the practice in a different playground and do the challenges in a different playground. Always. Good practice. You can use multiple formulas over here, like to find the length of your name or anything like that. Okay. Today, to get the today's date and all, round the amount. You have a quick challenge given here. Can you all give a try to do the challenge? It's very simple. This time you have to work on contract. So you'll be working on contract, object, field is formula, label is days remaining, number of days between the end date. Okay. So the formula will come end date minus today function, TODAY. That's it. Give a try, come on. Let me know if you're able to earn 500 points for yourself. Steps are same. The object and the name and the formula is different. You all want to give a try or may I do it for you all? I'll give you 3 minutes and then I will do it. Two more minutes. Let me know if you're able to do it or else I'll do it. Okay, in the modules, the instructions are already given with specification. But can you tell how to practice for job situation where we would have to come up on our own for setting all configuration? Then do the super batches. So Mr. Marmix, super batches is the best way to check your skills. If you think so that okay, these things are really easy, go for super batches. Real life scenario will be given for you, question statement. Do the configuration and everything. You have to do it on your. Okay. Let me show you. I got only one thumbs up, so I'm just showing you how to do it. We have to work on the contract, so I'll go to the setup quickly. Object manager, contract, field and relationship, new. Can you all show me thumbs up if you all are in the contract, fields and relationship? Yes, what about others? Come on, let's be interactive. I need responses. Otherwise, I won't feel teaching. Okay. Miss Janvi, it's fine. It is independent on the previous session, so it's fine completely, ma'am. Oh, you can catch up with the YouTube videos. On the YouTube, the sessions recordings are available, ma'am. So you can just check out there. All the sessions are getting recorded. It's live on the YouTube also. Let's make a new formula field over here. As I said, I'll do quickly. My computer is not ready to do quickly at all. Press next, copy and paste the name. Okay, carefully. Once you copy and paste the name here, label days remaining, it's a good practice to copy paste the name to avoid any error, because the challenges are really case sensitive and the spaces also. So days remaining here, we'll write it. Name will populate automatically. When you subtract one day from the another day, what would be the return data type? Number or date? Yes, Mr. Sunil, the attendance are compulsory in order to be eligible for the vouchers and all the things. Mr. Rama said date. What is the YouTube link? It's already shared, ma'am. I hope so. Number. Mr. Momik said number. Yes, it is number, because we have to try to find out the difference between the days, na? Like from today to next 5 days or something, any date. So we want the return data type in the number only. Okay. We will be performing subtraction here. Next, I'm on advanced formula. Insert the field. From the contract, I am going to check end date. Contract. Close it. Okay. Contract end date. Okay. Make sure you're selecting the correct field name. They are given you already, right? Like calculate the number between the contract end date and today. So the names are specified there. Contract end date, insert it. Can you all show me thumbs up if you are able to get this option under the contract end date, right? Insert, okay. We have to perform a subtraction. So I just press the subtraction. If you really want, you can go to insert operator and press the subtraction from here also, not an issue with that. In the function, I am interested in today function, today. PQRST. Come on. T. Insert the selected function, you'll get it. You can type it also. There is no harm or something in that. But I just want to show you how to use the options, whatever is available here. That's the reason I have done all this thing. Usually I type it here. Check for syntax. You will not get any error. No syntax error. Okay. I'm putting it in the chat also. By any chance, if anybody need it. Copy and paste this. I click on insert field, contract, and here contract end date. This guy. Insert it. Okay. They are asking us to make it available for everyone. No, nothing. Next, save, check for challenge. Let me know if you're getting 500 points or not. Just press next. Next again. Save. Next. Don't do any changes. They didn't ask us, we'll not even touch it. Simple. Next. Save. 2 times next, 1 time save. Go and check for challenge for 500 points. You will get it. Check. Can you all show me thumbs up if you are able to get your 500 points? Thumbs up? Okay, wonderful. I got the badge, but you will not get it because it's your first one. What's the name of the next module? Next unit? Roll-up summary, right? The name itself says it will summarize the thing for you. Correct? So summary, when we say in the roll-up summary, like here one example is given. In my account, for the account pyramid constructions, I have 2 opportunities, which is related to the account. So it's in the lookup again. I'm in account looking into the opportunity right now. Different object, 2 different objects. So they are in the lookup relationship. Now, in the opportunity, I have amount, I have stage and close date. Now here I'm trying to make a roll-up summary of how much amount sum of opportunity can be done. How much money it can generate, revenue basically. So it's a sum over here. So I'm doing the sum of opportunities where it is showing me this account has the potential to make around $350,000 rupees. Simple. When we say the roll-up summary, you can make a count. You can even try to find out the count of opportunity, how many counts are there, sum, minimum or maximum. Only these 4 operations can be done with the roll-up summary. Okay. Let's proceed ahead. I will do the challenge here. Because it is complete, exactly same thing. Only you will change the parameter. Sometime you will try sum, The other time you will try minimum, maximum, or the count. First of all, we have to add a field to the standard object account. We have to work on account object where you have to provide a roll-up summary. Okay, summary of the total expected revenue. When we say total, what we find, which operation we have to do to find the total, minimum, maximum, count, or sum. Which operation can help me out to find the total, minimum, maximum, count, or sum? Sum, right? Absolutely correct, Mr. Adesh, Mr. Sanchit. So what we'll be doing over here? Yes, of all the related opportunities. So let's work on the account object. So our favorite place, object manager, search for account. Go inside account, keep your cursor there only, field and relationship. Can you all show me a quick thumbs up if you all inside the account, field and relationship? Yes, no. Okay. We have to make a new field, press the new button, and we are trying to make a roll-up summary. So this time no formula, it's a summary. So we'll say roll-up summary. Okay. Next, label, copy and paste it. It is potential value. How much potential this account have to generate the revenue. Correct. Are you all done with the label and name? Yes or no? What about others? Okay. Next, here the master object is account. Correct. Summarize. I want to summarize what? It is related to these things. So I want to summarize the opportunities. As you all said, we have to go for sum. Sum of the potential expected revenue. Okay. So the field name, I can do the sum of amount, expected revenue. A lot of things are there. So I have to do expected revenue, right? Oh my God. Done till here. Next, save. Do we have to make it visible for everyone? Related to the account. Fine. Nothing else. Just next, save. Check for challenge, earn your points. Let me know if you are able to get 500 points or not. Got the 500 points or any error? Done. Okay. Next, save. So we can see the changes on account page, which is available on the marketing site, on the sales, support, and the account layout itself. We will check now both the levels. We have done the previous one also and this one also. Let's check them together. I go to the app launcher, search for account first to check out the roll-up summary. The plural will appear. Fine. By default, it is on recently viewed. Recently, I have not opened any account, so I don't have anything. Click on it and say all account to see the all data. And I have around 13 accounts. Can you all show me thumbs up if you all are on the same page for all accounts? You're able to get some account details there. You have some account. Yes, no. Miss Shailaja, click on all accounts, this one, and select all account. Recently view would be pinged, but make sure you're in all account. You will be having data. You have done the Dreamforce now. It comes with data. Okay, just go inside any account. I'm going for Burlington Textile. In the related, you can see here, it has one opportunity already in the related with the amount of something 2,000, 2,35,000. Scroll it up in the details. Potential revenue, same thing is coming here. That is 2,35,000. If I add a new opportunity there, it will show me the sum of both the opportunities here. But I have only one opportunity, so it is showing me the information about the one opportunity here. Got it? Okay. You all are able to get the potential value field which you updated. Open any account like Edge Communication. It has more opportunity. Look, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 35,000, 75,000, 50,000, 60,000. A lot opportunities are happening. I'll go to details. It will show me the sum of all the opportunities, that is around 2,06,000. Yes. So your roll-up summary is working very well. Let's search for contacts. We make the contacts also. No, contract. Contract. Yeah. We have to check the formula field again. All contracts. I don't have contracts. Okay, I will make. Press new here. And account name is the master here. Master is controlling the detailed account. So if you don't have account, you don't have contract. You have account, then only contract. This is called master detail relationship. I said the account is, you can write any account, GenPoint, Edge Communication, Burling Textile. If it is not coming, type it, it will come. Because all these are default accounts available in your data. So I'm going for the Edge Communication. And it's a draft status. Yeah, start date. I'm starting this contract today. This contract is for 10 months. It's my contract. Yep, fine. Save. I just answer the mandatory questions like account name, who is the master, the status of the contract, the start date. You can choose any start date, any term. It's on you what you want it to be there. Save. Come on. If I go to details, I just updated the start date and contract term. But look at here. I got this thing automatically. It's a formula field that will calculate it with the help of your start date and the term. You cannot edit it also. It's not editable. Similar way, days remaining. This is we made it. It's a default one, by the way, but this is the customized one which we created. I selected 10 months. That means it has 303 days left. I will change it like the term is just for 1 month. I said it's for 1 month. Save. The days change to 30 days. Clear? So this is how the formula field will get updated as per your entered data. This is the default formula field. This one is the customized formula field. Both are changing with respect to the term and the starting date. Are we all clear till here? Yes, no? Any questions, any doubt for me? Are you all able to see the changes? Yes or no? I'm waiting for the response. You all want to do next module today only, na? Then respond it. Okay, fine. We have completed the roll-up summary and along with the formula field. Now let's talk about relationship. Since long I'm talking about this is in the relationship with this. This is related to this. It's this one, that one, and all. Now if I'm not wrong. Oh no, it's a validation rule. So relationship you all have already done, right? Any guess what is a validation rule? What's the meaning of validation rule? Formulas we understood. The field will get updated automatically. What's the meaning of validating something? When you say you're validating something, what does it mean? I said create a validation rule to verify the end user. End user verify? Or the data, which, yeah. End user should not enter any noisy data. Absolutely right. To keep your data clean, to avoid noise in your data. Correct data type or length. Absolutely right. Like when you try to enter the password, most of the websites say password length should be greater than 8 to make a strong password. If your password length is less than 8, it will not allow you to save the password. Simple. So you are validating your data before sending it to the database, basically. Okay, right? So we all know this thing, that there are fields which first validate the data and then take the input. But how to make the same thing on your CRM? how the Salesforce can do this thing. So let's see. Don't do this step. Believe me, don't do this step. Otherwise, you won't be able to do next modules. If you really want to do these things, then do it in the new trial head playground. Okay. Here, they're asking us to create the contact, number field and apply the validation rule that it should be 8-character length. If it is less than 8 character, it will throw the error for us. Okay. So that is what they are asking us to do. Just allow me a minute. I know there is some black floating windows there on your screen for now. Uh, Checking the correct data type again. Same. I think phone number field also comes under validation rule that user should enter only 10 digits. Yeah, 10 digits or starting. If you're entering the Indian phone number, it should start with +91. No any other abbreviation or something like that. Correct. So, yep, that is again, and especially the email address. If you're entering the email address without @ it will not accept it, right? So we need @ for the email addresses. We have so many examples there. Mm. So again, here we are going to use the formula field. Here, a couple of example is given to check whether the account number is numeric or not. So you're using and not together, where you will check first it should not be empty. And then once it is not empty, then it should not, if it is not a number, it will raise a error for you. Correct? So the challenge is given for us here. You all can do these activities in other playground. Don't do it in the same one. Okay? You can do the practice definitely. I'm coming to the challenge. The challenge is given here. Create a validation rule that displays an error message and prevent the user from creating or updating a contact for an account if the contact and account have a different zip code. Fine. We already know that the account and contact, they are in the relationship of lookup. They can share the data between them and look into the other one while staying on the first object or the second. Now here in the account, I said my zip code is 1, 2, 3. So this contact person belongs to the same account, right? So this also should have the same zip code. it should have the same zip code here also. 1, 2, 3. But what I did while making a new contact here, which is related to the account as well, the contact name is, let's suppose, Tom. I said it has the mailing postal code or the zip code as 1234. Then it will raise the error for me that your mailing postal code and the shipping postal code are not equal. So once the condition is true, then the error will populate on your screen. You can decide where the error should appear, on top of the screen, next to your field, or where. Okay. So let's go to the contact, try to make a new validation rule. So I'll just erase all. Close, setup, object manager, contact. Will not go to field because it's not a field, it's a rule, validation rule. Go all the way down, click on validation rule. Come on, everyone, show me a thumbs up if you are able to locate the validation rule option. It's there all the way down. Yes, okay. Right now you don't have any validation rule. Click on new. I want to make a new validation rule over here, first of all. So copy and paste the name, whatever the name is coming on the other side. Put the same name here. Contact must be in account zip code. Copy the name, paste it. Show me a thumbs up if you all are done with the name. Yep. Oh, nice. It's time to add the formula. So I have two things. First thing, it should relate it to the account. The Tom should be related to the Tom Cruise company. Okay. Then I will check there, compare the mailing postal code and the shipping postal code. Fine. Let's do it. I will add end function. Now I want to say whether the ID should not be blank. Element not. Insert not what. Not blank. Not blank is again, you have not and then blank as another function is blank. My cursor should be here. What should be not blank? I will copy and paste the code. No need to worry. Insert ID. ID should not be blank. I said the account ID should not be blank. First condition. That means it is related to the account. Comma. When it is related to the account, then I will check out the mailing postal code. JKLM, mailing postal code, operator not equals to shipping postal code from the account. Ship. Shipping postal code from the account. No need to worry. I'm putting it in the chat. Copy, paste it, check for syntax. Okay. Better. Are we all done till here? Can I get a thumbs up? Check for syntax. It should say no error found. Thumbs up. Done. Okay, fine. Scroll down, enter any error message. I just put the same error. Oh, no. I will put contact must be in the account zip code where you want the error to shown, top of the page or next to the field. I want it on top of the page. Save it, check for challenge, you will get the points there. Let me know if you all are able to get your score. You all got it? Wonderful. Save. Let's check it. I'm going to the contact. Okay. New contact I'm trying to make. I have the contact. First name, Bob the Builder. It's from the account Edge Communication. Answer these questions. You can put anything, whatever you like. Then, in the mailing address, I set the postal code. I myself don't know what is the postal code of this account name. Okay, it is a default one. So what I'm doing here, I'm putting the postal code as 12345. Save. We hit a sign. Contact must be in the account zip code. Okay? Clear, everyone? This is how it will validate the data before saving it. I have to make sure that it is same then only I will be able to enter it. Otherwise, I'll hit a sang. I'll hit a sang. I'll keep on hitting a sang there. Okay. You all have tested your validation rule. Is it working in the similar way as it's working for me? Yes, no. You all have tested it? No response. Done, done, done. Okay, fine. Check for your challenge. You must get the shiny badge now. You have got a shiny new badge. Anyone who is facing issue to earn the badge? So we have successfully completed formulas and validation. Now let's go back to your trial head. And we are going to do now no. Yeah, quick start lightning app builder project. Okay. Can you all come to this unit? It's a project that means you have to follow along. Don't do anything as a challenge. YouTube, search for Future Skills Prime and go to live sessions. You will get all the recording. Our YouTube channel name is Future Skills Prime. Under the live category, you will get everything. Are we all on the same page? Quick start lightning app builder. Yes, no, never, ever, forever. Okay, so let's create your first page. Then we add the component and we add the quick action and activate the app for us. So we are trying to create a simple single page lightning app. Okay, here that can be used by the different users. Okay. Yeah, sure. Future skills, right? This is the channel name. So basically, the app builder will help the developer and the business users to build a customized user interface over there. okay, that are designed to work on the desktop as well as the mobile. So it's most of the time device friendly. Okay. All without writing a single line of code. You don't have to even write a single line of code there. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to just follow along this project and it will complete the things for us. Okay. There is no as such challenge or something. You just need to follow the steps. That's why it is known as a project. Okay. So first, mm, let's go to setup, lighting app builder, next to app page, new, copy the name. Field sales app. This is what we are going to make now. Fine. Go to the setup. App builder, just search here. App builder. You will get user interface lighting app builder. Show me a thumbs up if you all are in app builder. You can see we already have a couple of pages or the apps available here, like record page, property explorer, property finder, property record page. All these are lightning pages. Some are record pages, some are app pages. So we have types here. You can even make a record page or the app page. How does the app will appear for others? Okay. Now I want to make a new. I will click on the new button. Here, name your page. It will populate in whether it's an app page, home page, or record page. I told you we have different types of page. Home page is like the landing page of your object. Like in opportunity, it shows me activity details, chatter, and all. Home page is the home page of your app. It is not the home. Yeah, this is record page. Yeah, this is home page. We have different apps here, like sales app, marketing app, and all. They all have their own dedicated homepage. You can show the key features or frequently accessible items on the homepage. The next come as the app page, that you can show it for any customized app, single page application, you can make it here to show the collective data from all the different objects together. So we are trying to make app page today. In the next class, you will make all the 3 pages again. So app page, next the label is field sales app. So it is related to the sales now. Salesperson will be using this. Next, how the layout, as I told you, it is user friendly, not user friendly, device friendly. So it can work on desktop, tablet, cell phone, all the things. You can choose your own layout, 2 slider, 1 slider, 1 region. They want 2 region. So select 2 region. You will get 2 columns on your screen. Done. So 1, 2. This is 2 region. Cross it out for a while. Can you all check whether you're getting the same label and same API? Check your label and API. It's very important. And show me a thumbs up if you're getting it. Oh. Oh, sorry. Yes? Okay, fine. We are done till here. They're asking us to add 2 things here. We are making this app for the tablet. So we will select the tablet view. We are designing it for the tablet devices. because it says field sales app, no? So the salesperson will be on the field. They cannot carry laptop or desktop everywhere, but tablet, right? That's why we are making it for the tablets. And we have to show the list view for the account. My account filter. Fine. Let's do it. On the top, you can select for which device you're trying to make this app page, for phone, tablet, landscape, or what. So we are making it for tablet portrait view. So the view will change for you a little. They ask us for portrait only, right? Yeah. You can change the view here. Related list. List view. It's a standard component. Drag it, drop it here. Come on, everyone. Drag the list view, drop it here. This is step 2. Step 1 is this. It should be tablet portrait. What do you want to show here? Which object I want to show here? Account object details only. All the account? No. I'm interested in my account, which I created. Nothing else. Come on. Step 3, step 4, completed. Show me thumbs up. Done. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm getting all the list of my accounts. Fine. Save it. Okay. It should show 7 number and then save. At a time, I don't want to see 3 records. I want to see 7 records. Fine. So the number of records should be 7 at a time. That's it. Click on the save button on the right top. Don't activate it for now. Just save it. Save. Okay. Changes save. Activation, they ask it. Not yet. Yes. So say not yet and then done. Come on, everyone. Check for challenge. Let me know if you're getting 100 points or not. It will give you less point because all the steps were given for you. Thumbs up. How much point you all got? 100. Why did I launch this? Yeah, I will not get it. Wait. The next is add more components. The other half is empty right now. We have to add something there as well. Okay. So let's add something in the other half as well. recent item we have to add, and we want to see the recent item from the opportunity and the leads. Copy the label. Opportunity top, leads down. Fine, easy. So let's search for recent item. Whatever you have opened recently, that will appear. I'll take the recent item, drop it here. Object. I don't want this object. Okay, this is, look at here carefully. API, first we have to add opportunity and lead, no? It's alphabetically arranged. You don't have a search box. So opportunity, right arrow, selected. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, L, M, L is leads. Yeah, add. The API anomaly, we don't want it. So back. So you should have only opportunity and lead here. Okay. Press on OK. So it will show you the recent item, whatever you visited in the opportunity and under the lead section. Press on OK to save it. The label, custom label, add the label here, which you copied from there, opportunity and lead without spaces. Update these things. Here you need opportunity and lead. The objects also opportunity and lead. How many number they want to show us? Nothing. They have not said anything. Okay, save. Check for challenge. Save it. Check for challenge. Let me know if you got another 100 or not. I got it. What about others? Yes, no. Okay. The last task for the day. Quick action. Go back to page. Make sure the entire page is selected. Scroll down. Actions is there. Quick actions are like some buttons will come on the top that will help you to do certain tasks quickly. Like I want one button that will help me to add a new contact easily or add the new opportunity easily. So I need couple of buttons here like this at the top. If you have too many, they will come as a drop down. If you have one or two, they will come next to each other. So select this actions option. Show me a thumbs up if you are able to navigate to here. Yes, you all got the actions option. Let's select the options, what they're asking us to select. log a call, and new case, new lead, new task. 4 things. Select first log a call. The order should be same. New case, case, lead, task. Case, lead, task. Yeah. Log a call, new case, new lead, new task. Select these action, press on OK, show me thumbs up. Are we all done till here? If you're sending any message to me personally, I don't have the access to the personal messages. Kindly use the chat option. Okay. Now I have the actions there. I have the list of the accounts are there. I have recently visited opportunities and the leads are there. My app is almost ready. It's time to activate it and assign it to somebody, like so that they can see the things and everything. So, to whom we are assigning? Okay, fine. Activate on the right top. You can see the name. Name should be this only, nothing else. You can even change the icon, but they have not given any icon for us, so we are not changing it. Other than that, activate for all user. Yes, yes, yes. Scroll it up. Lightning experience. So here we can even manage the setup to whom it should be visible or not. But we have to add it for the mobile navigation. We are not doing anything for the lightning experience also. Mobile navigation tab, add to the page icon and place it below the today icon. Fine. So we are adding for the navigation of the mobile. We say add to the app. Here you have field sales app, but I want it under today. So click, drag, place it under today. So whenever they will open the menu, navigation, the order is Einstein Chatter today and then field sales. Fine. Press the save button to save the changes. Activation is successful. Yeah, we can go and check the app now. Fine. Save it, activated, save. Are we all done till here? Show me thumbs up, check for challenge. Oh, you're facing network issue, Mr. Rohan. Check for challenge, you should get the points. You all are able to get it? This time you'll get a badge, shiny badge. Congratulations, right? So successfully we have got 2 batches for today. Pretty much good session. Anyone who's facing issue in completing these 2 modules? Done, 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 done. Attendance is auto updated based on your duration. Attended the class on YouTube. What happened then? No, Miss Harsha, no. The certification, let me tell you the rules. Your attendance is there. It's not 100%, but so it's fine if you're missing 1 or 2 session due to XYZ reasons. Okay. But I'm not encouraging this at the same time. Second thing is that you have to be present in the session. Try your best. No, Miss Archita. That's what I'm telling. Duration in the class and this is rather than these things, focus more on completing this trial head by the dedicated time. You all very soon in couple of module or you may have got the announcement that the last day for the completion of this trial head is this. Let's suppose 15th of December or 10th of December, whatever announcement will be there for you. So you have to make sure by that time you will complete the all the modules, whatever you have it in this trial head. Okay, so make sure that is what developer program are same. Yeah, it's a Salesforce Catalyst developer only. The next cohort is about the administrator, that is different. You completed all the modules already, Mr. Manish, all the super batches as well. Then within few days, when you first tell me when you completed during the cohort, like when this started, or you have the completed one before it only, because the dates matter. It should be in the time of during this cohort sessions only. Like if this cohort started 15th of October, so it should be after 15. Yeah, during this course, then fine, good. You are eligible for the vouchers and all. If you're lucky winner, you'll come and stand a chance to get a voucher also for the international certification. Simple. Uh, what I said, yeah. Just let's check. Let's quickly check the front end. We have created field sales app. Let's go to app launcher and see how this our app is looking. App launcher 9 dots. Field sales app. We got it. Here is the logo for my app, the name, top 7 accounts, whatever I have visited recently. I don't have any opportunities or leads visited recently. If I visit anything, then it will appear here. You have log a call, new case, new lead, new task as your action buttons. So I can click here, I can add a new case or new task or new lead, or even add a log as well here. Subject, comment related to name, that's it. Is this clear what we have created today? We have tried to recreate this, not recreate, create our very own customized app page, single page apps that can be used by your customer. Okay. Mr. Manish, make sure whatever the trial head you have completed, your trial head email ID and your Future Skills Prime email ID should be same. Registration email ID. Okay. As in your assignment, dear, you all have to work around the two module. I think so. There are two modules are there for today's assignment. Customize the user interface for recruiting app and flow builder basics. These two things are your assignment. customize the user interface. This one, 700 points, and flow builder basics. These two are your assignments. It's same. Okay, fine. Oh, we have two Manish here. So I told it to Mr. Manish Kumar, and Mr. Manish Yadav responded to it. We have any Sabha here? I don't think so. Okay, this is it from my end. This is your assignment. Next cohort, Mr. Aditya will be there, so he will continue a session. Any questions, any doubt? We still have 5 more minutes around, so I can answer your queries. I was getting a lot of questions related to the recordings. You can go to YouTube. Search your future skills prime, and you can see it's live still, right? So future skills prime is the channel name. Under the live sessions, currently you all are following cohort 2, so you can check out the recording here. Program cohort 2, program cohort 2, cohort 2, your mentor, cohort 2, cohort 2. Okay, so you can check out the recordings here. Fine. Oh, good to hear it. Yes, Miss Harsha. Just allow me. You are in the Telegram channel. I'll just put it there. Thank you. Thank you all. I had a good session with you all, and I must say you all are really good interactive learners. So good to have you all. Hope so we'll see you again here and there in some other FDP. Okay. This is it from my end. I'll just put my profile link. It's in the chat. You can connect with me on LinkedIn if you want. Oh, thank you, Ms. Fatma, for recorded modules. Oh, okay. Thank you all. Thank you all. Enjoy your day. Bye, everyone. Take care. Please do check out your email. I mean to say email IDs. It should be same as your Trailhead and the Future Skills account. Okay. So please check out that. Thank you all. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Thank you, Sabha. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.